Basement mold can impact your home and health, thriving in damp, dark environments. Moisture from flooding or leaks and poor ventilation are common causes of mold growth. Organic materials like wood, drywall, and fabrics are the perfect food for mold. Choose Mold Busters certified services for safe and efficient mold removal. Our skilled professionals use specialized equipment and techniques to eliminate mold without jeopardizing your health. As experts in basement mold removal, Mold Busters cleans and provides preventive measures to keep your basement dry and mold-free. Say goodbye to mold issues by maintaining a dry environment and regularly inspecting for water leaks or mold signs. Don't let basement mold take over your home. Contact Mold Busters for professional help and book a free virtual inspection at bustmold.com or by downloading our app.